What's good, guys? Welcome this fine morning. Uh, yeah. Alright, let's get some analysis done before 9 o'clock starts. This is my first or my second eval. My first one did not do so good. Actually, there's some things that happened that I was kind of angry about. But there was one time I traded. It was off of Top Step, and I was in a trade. Before I could put my stop in, they had the system wouldn't let me put my stop in, but it let me place a trade. And I had like a lot. It was a lot of drawdown. I was not happy. Camper. Alright, let's see. We got sell side down here. Looking juicy. Sell side down there looking good. And then we got buy side up here. Buy side up here, and then obviously up there we have some buy side as well. That we could go up to. Alright, we're trading below. This is the new day open here. New day open, we're trading below that. Right now, so New York Open will start in 8 minutes. Let's look at our daily. See what that's looking like. Alright, so we did get a close. We did make a swing low here. We did get a close above yesterday's high. So, we are in this fair value gap here. With that order block, it just touched the bottom of that, of this candle here. So we could, honestly, we could see a continuation down because we broke support here, or broke a level here, and then now we're trading. We could see a continuation down to these two lows. So this would be the first objective, obviously. We've been having some staleness for the last 3 days, so we might get a big mover today on Thursday. Big move down. Yeah, we could definitely see a move down. The upside is not looking as, it looks more bearish to me. Looks like we got a break here, and then a retracement, and then now should be able to continue down. I think that'll be my bias for the day, is to be bearish. Alright. Got the 15-minute here. I think we could see a retracement back up into here, and then a sell-off. Sweep the liquidity up here, and then see a sell-off. That'll be my plan for today. If we run up here and see if we can get a whatchamacallit, a turtle soup, see if we take out the liquidity and then push down. It might leave this up here, and we might just get to take out this liquidity up here and then take it short. So we'll see what it does. But I think up here it'll for sure take out this before going down. Current market structure is bullish. Current market structure is bullish. Let's see what to do. Opening bell in 2 more minutes. We have outlined our areas that the market could go up into. It could go up into this one of these new week to new day opening gaps as well. This is actually today. Yeah, today. I don't know why that's on there. Alright, 9:30. We're gonna sit on our hands for a little bit. Let's see, we have the opening up here, so there's a 70% chance we should retrace to the to the 50% level, which is up here. So you could go, feeling confident, you can go long for that, for it to trace up into here, or full gap closure. Swept out those these equal highs up here for everyone that was going short pre-open. Probably could have taken a trade off that order block, but I usually like to wait until at least 9:45 to start looking for something, see what market structure looks like. Doesn't really provide us a 1 to 2 risk to reward unless we aim for up there. If I got in down here, it'd be a little bit better, but nothing I like right now yet. Just gonna wait for 10:45 or 9:45 and try to trade the 10 o'clock macro. Let's see, where is this? 9 o'clock open. opening. Sorry, I got a baby in the background. Gotta start them while they're young. Alright, let's do some trading here. Alright. We were in the correct thought process for it to be bullish, at least to trade for those, for the sell side down here. We haven't really gotten an entry trigger yet. If we leave this open, this will form the gap or the fair value gap at 930. First presented fair value gap. This is our first. Let's actually let me put an order in here. I need to put a sell. Put me in my wrist or I'm gonna wait, because right now we have this that's supporting price, and then right above it we have a fair value gap, the first day presented, so I'm gonna wait actually to take a short here, even though I think it could go to that sell side just fine. See what if we get another swing high here. I'm interested. probably get stopped out here. Hopefully not. See if we can push below here. There we go. It's a good sign. Oh shit, that was not what I wanted to do. I'm still getting used to this, because usually I have a market order and I can, on trading view, and just put my stop loss and everything there. I get over that. Getting used to this, because I've been trading on the paper trading account, which is just like you can put your market order, put your stop loss down, and just kind of map it all out and then press buy or sell. Yeah. Oh, check. It's rotating up to this 9:30 or 9 o'clock open, which is the new 4-hour candle. Let me see if make sure this is what I'm thinking. Oh, okay. On Electron, this one it's new 4 hours to 10 o'clock. That is so weird. Well, anyways, so a lot of trades can be, a lot of times it can come back, retest this, but we're trading above the first presented fair value gap right now. I did take a short here. I was able to close it before it going against me too badly. See if this becomes inverted. It could just gyrate in here, and then we're not. We're just gonna leave it alone until it shows us a clear structure. Went up into this order block here. This is really tight stuff in here. Probably gonna stay away from it for a little bit until we get some clear price action, clear price structure. Come back in here, see if we can make this, see if this can support price. We hit that, that's the 9:30 opening price. 9 o'clock, came up there, touched it. If it didn't have, if I had a swing high like this, usually take a short off that, but the fact that I would have had to enter off my strategy, enter at this level here, put my stop layer there, like there's not enough, yeah, there's not enough room.
Everybody in the house is still feeling good. Let me hear you say yeah.
Still have sell side and buy side available to be taken. See what it does. It's not really respecting that 9:30 fair value gap. It's respecting the order block here and the 9 o'clock opening price here. Alright, give me 1 sec. 1 second here. All right. There's not really a trade that I personally see according to my strategy inside that price action. It is going up to fill in the 50% retracement of the electronic or real-time trading hours, 9:30 open to I guess from yesterday's close to 9:30 open. Went back up there, filled that in, or starting to fill that in. Hey, what you doing, buddy? Started to fill that in, and then we'll see what it does. Yeah, it's just kind of sloppy price action. I mean, here we have a fair value gap. We have an order block here. Price went up to opening. Traded off of that. Kind of bounced in here. Made a swing. What you call a high, or swing low in here, off of this. So honestly, you probably could have taken a trade here. Would not be bad with the stop up down below here with a take profit above these levels here or to the 50% retracement. That wouldn't be a bad trade because as you see, this is supporting price pretty good. But yeah, it's not clean. Like what I mean by that is, for example, like this is clean price. Like just slowly goes down, taking out this low. Now we took out this low. This is a strong high. This is a weak low because it failed to break above this. So we have strong. It goes up into here. There is a gap here. You could look at see if there's any opening price. Opening price is here as well. So draw that out into time. I mean, you could take a trade off of this here. It's like, this is very up and down, up and down. Like if you took a short here, you gotta stop out here, and then you would have saw this, people would have saw this big red candle. It's like, I knew it's gonna go lower. So then, this is how I was in the beginning. Yeah, I knew it was gonna go lower. This is a confirmation, and then I would, take a short off that, and then just to get stopped out up here again. And then, yeah, this is, I don't like that price action. Staying away from stuff like this is definitely helpful. Alright, it took out that buy side we were talking about. Let's see if it goes up into that new week or new day opening gap, which is highlighted in, we don't need this no more. Which is highlighted here. You probably could have taken a trade here as well off of this candle. You made a swing low inside of the first presented fair value gap. This is something that would align with my strategy. Take a trade here, stop loss here, and then see if we can move up. So there was a trade here. It's just I just didn't feel it this morning. And also trading my first eval, there's a little bit of more nerves involved, I'd say, than trading just a demo account. But we'll wait and see if we can see something that catches our eye. It's almost 10 o'clock, so we'll see if we can get a trade off that macro. We're looking at market structure right now. We have this is a strong low. It's a strong low down there. So what that means is if we retrace within this range here, we should see at least a kickoff of this level or this level higher. at least for a short term, because we could kick off this level down here just to retrace up into the range that it might create from here to here, kick up in here, and then go short. I'm more bearish on the day than bullish, but we'll see what happens. Come here, you little tootin'. We will see what happens. First presented fair value gap at the macro from 9:50 to 10 o'clock. If we can come back down here and this create inversion, I could see us start drawing for this sell side down here. That's kind of what my plan is. I really like the potential run up into this potential here. That's why Thursday and Friday, you want to be careful on Thursday and Friday, because price action is not that great. Because like if we look at yesterday's price action when I took a trade, like just really clean, just move up here, took out that, and shift to market structure, came back down into this, and just moved higher. Let's see if I'm not just... It's kind of the same thing, honestly, that happened today, just a little bit more fuzzy. Let's see if we can get if we were to take a trade here, or if we could see. Even right now, I can't get a 2-to-1, where that's a lofty goal. Up here would be... I could see it happening for sure, but I don't know. This is where I would like to get a 1 to 2-to-1 risk to reward going to this level, and right now I can only get a 1 to 3 if I keyed off that. Now if I got down here, took a trade right as that candle closed, let's see where it would be at, probably around there. And then we go up here, I could probably gotten a 2-to-1 off of that, but meeting that little criteria before I take a trade really has stopped me from entering things that I was like, oh, I know this is going that way. But it was really, if we look at the daily, I mean, it really could go either way. Really could go either way. In my opinion, it could go in either way. Like I said, we're trading in this fair value gap. We've already rejected off of this level here. So it's some really strong bearishness, signs of bearishness. And then right now we're looking like we're making a swing high here and maybe continue it down, but yesterday low. Where's my thingy? Yeah. Yeah, just ran up into here. We could probably key off this level if we think we're gonna go short for the rest of the day. Trading up into this order block right here. I'm going to, let's see, just gonna take a stab short at this. We need it is quite the stretch though to get to our two. Gonna be aggressive with my stops. So we could definitely just push right through this. I think I'm happy with the 30. It's definitely, I feel definitely different trading this account than I do my demo account. The reason why I took it out of there mentally, just to kind of give me a mental recap, is because, you know, we have this continual structure here break. So we should see a movement higher here around this level somewhere. It should retrace back. And then when we see the retracement back up, then we can see a further downward move. I think I would have gotten in a little too early here. Trying to build a little buffer. Get to like $100 buffer and then risk $20 per trade until we start building that up. Yeah, this is the thought I was thinking of it doing. I'm gonna go back up here. It might even stop that out before taking down lower. But yeah, this is more continuation trading than anything. I do like the trade though. This made a swing high. Like that. Then where's the 10 o'clock open? Right here. Here. if we come back down, take this out, retrace up, then we can. What I'm afraid of it doing is just, starting to run and then just drive right down through this. I wish it would show me the price. That's what I need to get good at, actually. Just whatever you do right there. I need to put... I think I need to have this thing up open the whole time. It says 53, risking $53 to gain 77. Yeah, we need to do it more like that. That's where we'd have to target. And then let me see what that would do once I put my out only rate risking $20. Okay. Once I move my stop loss there. That's not bad. Okay. I'm just gonna keep this limit order open, that way I can measure my trades. I think that'll be what I'll do. Because usually on the demo account I usually have buy or sell, and then it shows me this, and then I can do a market order. I don't know if I can do that here. No, it doesn't look like I can. I need to figure this out. Definitely wouldn't have been a bad trade. At this point, we could have broken that to break even and just watched it. Right now my risk parameters, I can only risk 1. It'd be nice to be able to risk 2 eventually, but... So yeah, we would have had to aim for down here if we were going to do that risk to reward. That was essentially a good trade there, if I kept with it. But we have that opening price at 10 o'clock. You can see I've been observing these, and like look at this here, like opening price 9 o'clock. We hit it here, created some. Let me see. We created some sell side there, and then here we had the same thing. It dipped down into there, shot off of that. Same thing with this. Dipped down in there, created a swing high. You could take a trade off that. I might start using these because like they look very I don't know. It seems like price uses these levels more than, I don't know. They look good. Like touch that 9 o'clock perfectly. Opening price. This is actually a weak high. Wasn't able to close below this. The whole price action to the whole day does not look pretty. This is definitely gonna go, this has to go lower. Just waiting for my opportunity to go short. This was a good short here. Yeah, I was happy about that short. I'd have to do 120 to get anything off that. Oh, sell limit order just takes you in like that. Okay. Well, now we know. It's so bad that I don't know that. Hopefully we can move lower down here. There we go. Great push off that. I'm gonna break that to break even. That was the short right there. That was a good trade. Hopefully we can, it's bouncing off this little 9 o'clock. This should maybe we get up into here, get some rejection or get some resistance up here to take this lower. We are, put my buy stop there. Suck if this went all the way up there and took me out, but it can happen. See how many we got. 1 second left of that candle. See what it does here. Loving the speed at which those execute. That's really nice. The speed at which that executes, like hit your stop, you're out. That's really nice, even comparative to demo trading. Well, guys, this might be a dud day. A dud day.
And it's a difference with us and them, man. You know what I'm saying? We organize.
I don't know why we didn't take profit there. That's 2. What was I doing? I thought I had like, hold on, something not right. It's weird. Had something wasn't right, but that should have taken profit there. Alright, so we broke below here. We just tapped it. So if we do have a retracement, it's gonna be higher like it did. Let's see if we can get a swing at this level, a good area to take a short stop loss and a good risk reward. See if we can get a good risk reward. The only thing about right now is I'm not able. This one, I don't know why I was seeing something else, but this right here would have been a 1 to 2 according to the risk there, but should have closed it out right there. But probably not gonna trade Friday tomorrow, but we'll start on Monday. Might have to wait for afternoon session. Somehow I made money today. We're up $25 on our evaluation account. So it's not a ton of money, but hey, it's positive. It looks like we're going up into this again.
All the niggas see gets changed, some different, some strange. A smile on my face, ain't nothing can faze me, baby. Light up my days, give me something crazy with a regular taste. Bittersweet, baby. Bittersweet, baby. Picking daisies for something that's probably fake. I probably hate, look at it right there, all vivid, so clear. But I don't wanna see it, now do I wanna feel it? But try to feel it fully, keep those rules bent. I don't need your 2 cents, all of it a nuisance. I don't need your blueprints for some makeshift relation disillusion. Floating on the surface like I am, no urges. I am bored, balance go back and forth. Conclusion, I can't afford this sort of thing. I guess, ma'am, I can be your yes man. You give me all this power, superficial but I like it. You, so divine, too sweet for a word like mine. All the niggas see gets changed, some different, some strange. A smile on my face, ain't nothing can face me, baby. Light up my days, give me something crazy with a regular taste. Bittersweet, baby. Bittersweet, baby. On every new dime, I'm bugging, slipping, tripping over nothing. Rise up and fall again like sundew.
Alright, so we gotta close above these highs. We could possibly, it's 10:30, could possibly go down and take here. Have a trade here to go up towards this buy side. Just don't know. Guess it's okay not to know.
Bittersweet baby. Oh, all the niggas see gets changed. Some different, some strange. A smile on my face. Nothing can face me, baby. Light of my days. Give me something crazy with a regular taste. Bittersweet baby. Bittersweet baby. Give me something crazy. Yeah. I know somewhere we can go. Far away from everything. I know somewhere we can go. Far away from everyone we know. I know somewhere we can go. Far away from everything. I know somewhere we can go. Far